you join the U.S. Conference of Mayors Climate Protection Agreement? Why or why not? What concrete actions would you undertake to move Moscow forward to sustainability?
Well, thank you for that question. It's right on the money. I would actually join the U.S. Conference of Mayors and the effort to put us on the map. The kinds of changes that we can take. I'll give you a couple of examples. We need to move away from fossil fuels. We're trying that, but it's we're doing it in a slow way with the adjustment of our fuels in the fleet that we have in Moscow. But we have other things that we could do. We should not buy any more we should not buy any more furnaces or boilers that are dependent upon fossil fuels. We just should not do that. Another thing that we can certainly do is to consider the possibility of working with Avista for more effort to make sure that their provision of electricity to us is not done through fossil fuels, but with alternative sources.
Thank you, Mr. Lamb.
That's a very good question. It's one that we all need to pay attention to because climate control is something that's here to stay, and it's something we all need to work forward with and continually. It's like eating an elephant, though, ladies and gentlemen. It's not going to happen overnight, but what you need to do is be consistent. I'll just give you a few facts here about some of the things we've been doing here in Moscow. We've gone to the eco-driver and fleet replacement with smaller vehicles, driver training for fuel efficiencies. And I'll just give you an example. In 2011, we used 56,918 gallons of fuel. And in 2016, 5 years later, we used 47,507 gallons. Now, what that is actually 9,411 less gallons of gas. And that equates at $3 a gallon for those of you out there. A total of, over that period of time, 30,176 gallons, which is $92,148. Now, I am a numbers guy and I like numbers. That's one thing that we're doing. Street unit light LEDs from Avista, that is helping us. Brighter lights, less energy, and we're continuing to work on the upgrades of that. And there's many more things, so I hope another question like that comes back to us.
All right, we'll see. Thank you, Mr. Lamb.